When I first got my Toolmaster Pro, I was completely stoked, but then reality set in. Even though this is the most intuitive modeler to use, you still have option paralysis. I remember spending hours tweaking different presets, going on YouTube, trying to find the right tutorial, and just felt like I was wasting a lot of time. But that's when I decided to take tone mastering into my own hands. I applied everything I learned from school being a music production major, and applied it to guitar and really started thinking about the Toolmaster Pro from a guitar producing standpoint. That's really the hardest part about these modelers, is learning how to master sound design, because it's a lot different than just plugging in pedals and hoping everything sounds good. You really have to understand sound design. In this course, I'll teach you the fundamentals that you need to get good tone consistently, and to allow you to have the confidence from guessing that you have good tone to knowing you have good tone. But I know what you're thinking. Do I really need a course for the Toolmaster Pro? My answer is simple. If you're the type of person who's tired of wasting time and is just really tired of guessing that you have quote-unquote good tone, this course is for you. I'm going to break down the fundamentals of tone, and then we're going to use those fundamentals and apply them directly to the Toolmaster Pro. The cool thing is that if you go through the course and you do the work, while you'll have an excellent understanding of the Toolmaster Pro, you will also be ready for any modeler that you may pick up in the future. So if you're ready to stop guessing and play with confidence, knowing that your tone sounds good, click below to join the Toolmaster Pro Mastery course, and I'll see you there.